How are you doing? My name's Mark from Ultimate Moto. We've got a great video for you today. A great chef once told me the best thing to come out of Peugeot were salt and pepper shakers. Well, not anymore. Take a look at this. Peugeot was formed in the 1800s where they started off making steel and then motorcycles in 1898 with what can only be described as a pedal and pop or a bicycle with a lawnmower engine in. I guess at the time it was revolutionary where potentially the normal mode of transport was your feet or a horse and cart if you could afford one. So you probably wouldn't see them that often. It was a year where Marie Curie was on the go and the Eiffel Tower was only 10 years old. It seems like the beginning of time, or more certainly the beginning of two-wheel revolution. And in fact, Peugeot is one of the oldest manufacturers still going today. It wasn't until 1927 that Peugeot produced a motorcycle that looks like a motorcycle. It was the P-01. In a year where they were just flying across the Atlantic, Alfred Hitchcock was starting out and Henry Seagrave drove the Sunbeam 1,000 horsepower car to 203.7 miles an hour at Daytona Beach. It seemed cars were developing a lot faster than bikes. It's from this early P designation that the model name PM-01 was born. Certainly Peugeot Motorcycles 01, this is the first of its series. You'll definitely be more familiar with Peugeot's scooter offerings. The Speedfight springs to mind, which most of us will have loved riding, whether we were on holiday or whether we started riding in the time to early 2000s, they were all the rage. The PM-01 takes the spirit of modern Peugeot and piles it into a geared 125 motorcycle. They've taken styling cues from the four-wheel division with their new badging and the lights that signify claws of a lion. With upside down front forks, dual channel ABS and Messler tyres ensuring you stay safe on the road. The suspension and geometry transfers into the ride and you can really get into this bike. It flows like a big CC machine with the big style forks. These are in fact 41mm. They soak up all the bumps and undulations that our tarmac can present and give a confidence, inspiring feel. Rider safety is in everyone's minds, from design and build to the actual rider. We hear it a lot in the showroom. The guys are sort of very conscious about safety. The PM-01 gets dual channel ABS as standard. The basic principle is that there's a sensor at the front and rear and they communicate with an ECU. It then tells the bike to lock or unlock the brakes, ensuring you remain in control during tricky situations. Everyone's got a preference to tyres and brands, and you'll know yourself if you've been riding long enough that decent tyres do matter. If you haven't been riding, speak to another rider, someone that you know. They'll definitely be passionate about tyres and certain brands, because you've only got two of them to keep you on the road. In this case, Peugeot have chosen Metzler, a quality tyre manufacturer, and look at these tyres. They're beefy and properly sticky. The engine on the PM-01 is fairly torquey, so it's quick enough to get you off the line. The roll-on performance is great, and the engine and exhaust is nicely tuned, so it does not sound like a 125, and it sounds like a much bigger bike. It's got a full colour dashboard, large format with smartphone connectivity, which is a welcome addition on this learner machine. You can connect your phone or sat nav up to it. Great thing. Riding position is really nice. It's a nice upright riding position. The foot pegs are a little bit further back. Your foot drops naturally onto the pedals. Your knees are nice and relaxed. Nice straight ahead, upright view, giving you a nice view over the traffic. You can see what's coming ahead. You can make, changes and adjustments to your position as you're going along the road. My final thoughts on this one are that it's well designed with striking looks and the ride to match. This is one of my favourite 125s on the market at the moment, and will surely tempt more new riders into this machine. And also riders of other brands are going to switch across. The machines are available from us now. Get in touch today. We've got 3 colours available. We've got the black, the blue and the white. Give us a like, give us a follow, give us a share, give us a comment.